All right, so we have question 1, which is actually just comparison of fractions. So this should be more like P3 work. Okay, Nicole, is it? Okay, Nicole, would you like to answer this one and tell us which one is greater or how you figure out your answer? Okay, your answer is A. A is correct. Now, how do you know that A is correct? How do you know that A is correct? Okay, I think what we need to do is we have to actually find a common denominator. So when you have a common denominator, the numerator will tell us which one is bigger and which one is smaller, right? Okay, so common multiple of 3 and 4 is actually 12. So we are going to put that onto the denominator. All right, so if we put that into a denominator, 1/3 equivalent fraction becomes 4 out of 12. 1/4 becomes 3 out of 12. Therefore, A is greater. All right, okay, so now we move on to the second one. Abir, would you like to take over this one and answer? Let me clean the annotation first. Smaller number, bigger fraction. Okay, unfortunately, our problem here is all the different, you have different denominator and you have different numerator as well. If we only have different denominator, but all the numerators are the same, we can make use of your concept to answer. But now because numerators are also different, so you actually need to change them to a common denominator. Abir, what do you think the common denominator is for 4, 12, and 6? Nicole, we let Abir do first. Yeah, Abir is doing now. Uh, okay, I think he's got, yes, multiply by 3. Very good. So it is actually going to be 12. Okay, so he's multiplying the top one, the numerator, by 3 as well. Okay, yes. So his first fraction gets us 9 out of 12. Okay, yes, that first one is 9 out of 12. Okay. I think Abir's second one no need to do because the denominator already 12, right? Yeah, denominator is already 12, so can compare already. You need to do C. Okay, so you can see he's doing C now. Yes, 6 times 2, that will get you 12, right? Okay, so now that he is able to do that, let's look at all the different denominators. Yeah, Nicole, later on when we have a break. Okay, so Abir, you saw one has a 9, one is a 5, and one is a 2. So which one is the smallest? Whoa. Okay, Abir has given us C as the smallest, huh? That is correct, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, so now we can move on to our next question. Okay, let me see. All right, so this is question 3, and we already have Ariano with us, right? Ariano? Okay, wait, let me try to clean away the annotation. Okay, done. Okay, Ariano, are you with us? Where did Ariano go to now? Disappeared again, huh? Yeah, you're here, you're here. Okay, Ariano, would you like to do C for us?
What is number 1?
What is number 1? Oh, you missed number 1, right? Okay, wait, let me go back into our first slide. Hang on, let me find. Okay, our number 1 was this. When we compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, we change our fractions into equivalent fractions in which the denominators are all 12, and we found that A is bigger than B. Okay, so answer is A. All right. So now we are coming on to question 3, right? Okay, so Ariano, would you like to solve 3 for us? Yeah. Ariano, you may want to change all the denominators into the same number so that it is easy to compare. Very good. The denominator should be changed to 12. Yes. Okay. So if all the denominators are 12, what will your numerator be? C no need to change because it's already 12, right? So you just need the numerators for the 1/4 and the half. Do you know how to change it into 12? Very good. First one is a 3. Yes. What about the second one? Nicole is not done like that. Yeah, let Ariano do. Okay, yes, it is a 6. So now you have one that is a 3 out of 12, one is a 6 out of 12, and of course C itself is just 1 out of 12. Are you able to arrange the fractions in order which begins with the smallest? Where are you, Ariano? You already have, we already have all our answers. It is just to arrange them. So where did you get 12 out of 12 from? Where did you get this one? No, that's not 12 out of 12. That is 1 out of 12. It is 1 out of 12. So of course, yeah, we made a mistake, right? Okay. Why did you clean everything? Oh, okay, you're rewriting. Okay, yeah, all right, yes. 3 out of 12, that is 1/4. Yeah, that is 1/4. 6 out of 12, yes, that is your half. So all we need is to arrange them. Why is your 3 out of 12 the smallest? To put the smallest, we should be uh okay, don't clean it again. Don't clean it again. I tell you what, let me just put out the two fractions. Yeah, because if not, then we'll end up taking a lot of time, right? Okay, so let me just find my pen. My pen is now. Yep. Okay. All right, the first one is 3 out of 12. The second one is 6 out of 12. Now, once we have that, you should be able to figure out how to arrange them. Are you able to arrange them now? Do you know which is the smallest? All you need to do is just look at the, yes, look at the numerator, correct. So 1 out of 12 is the smallest. Okay, 1/4, which is 3 out of 12 is next. Yes, and then half, which is the biggest. Okay, all right, well done. Okay, so actually what we need to do is just to put the letters in. So your answer should be C, A, and B. All right, okay, all right. Now, we are going into a question that is not in your worksheet because I think you'll need to practice some more. Therefore, yes, it is now Nicole's turn. Nicole, would you like to arrange these fractions from the smallest to the greatest? Your turn. Yes. No. Do you know how to do? What about Abir? Abir, would you like to try? Okay, good. Abir, you say you will try. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, I think our first step is to change all the denominators to be the same. Okay, in terms of arranging the fractions, right? I can safely say 11 out of 10 is smaller than 23 out of 20. 23 out of 20 is smaller than 1 and 1/5. But what about 5 out of 4? This is the one that didn't fit right at the beginning. So you may want to change. Okay, I tell you what, let me just help you a little bit. Let's change the denominator to 20. So if 4 is changed to 20, that means I need to multiply by 5. Therefore, the numerator also multiply by 5. I will get 5 times 5 is 25. And this one, okay, let's see how far away it is. To make it into 20, I need to multiply by 4. So when I change it into 4, don't forget we have a 1 whole which is already 20. Then the 1 I must multiply by 4. So it's 4. And then plus the 20, I should get 24. 11 out of 10, change denominator to 20. That means times 2. We will have 22. Okay, so Abir, would you like to shift? Yeah, just that one. Don't clean the rest. Don't clean the rest. Don't clean the rest. We won't have time. We won't have time if we keep cleaning everything. Okay, so oh wow. Okay, now let's see how now. Okay, since everything has been cleaned away. Oh, you are rewriting everything, is it? Okay, if you are rewriting everything, then I will help you to clean the earlier ones. Like okay, you have already cleaned this, right? So let's just clean this one.